When the pandemic first hit, everyone was really devastated, and how are we going to be able to communicate? And so I got on the internet and figured out what can be done. My name is Claudya Verdiner, and I live in Brooklyn, New York. And I'm the director at the Community Medicine Program and Park Slope Family Health Center at NYU Langone in Brooklyn. I believe it was 1971, 1972, and I came into the United States with my grandmother. We arrived from Haiti, Port-au-Prince, Haiti. My grandmother's motto is saved to serve, and what it really means is just to serve your neighbors, serve your friends, just to be able to give back, paying it forward, if you will. My grandmother started a prayer group with maybe 5 or 10 people, and then it grew, to more people, and then larger and larger, until we finally found our home, which is on Flatbush Avenue now. When the pandemic first hit, we had a lot of members that either lost work or wasn't working, and so that they were really concerned about getting evicted. So we helped them with food, we helped them with their medication. The mayor's office also gave us over 300 cloth masks. I work at a hospital facility, and we had weekly calls that would update us on this is what's happening, and these are the precautions to take. And again, safe to serve. We just translated that in Creole, and with WhatsApp, there's this great feature where you can send out these broadcast messages, these blast messages. The first time that I sent the message and I typed it and I sent it, there were about maybe 50 or 60 people on the call. That's when I put one-on-one together and say, you know what, sending the message out in Creole, sending the message out in English is great, but I speak Creole fluently. I understand Creole fluently, but I can't read it. So if you type something to me and you send it to me in Creole, it'll take me a long time to kind of piece the words together, and instead of just cutting and pasting the Creole version, we just read it to them. So we just left audios for them, and it really helped. My grandmother, many years ago, she said, Claudia, there's this thing out there. And she said it in a Creole accent. She says, there's this thing out there called internet. Is there a way that you can find a way to tap into the internet and see how we can, share our story, to be able to spread the gospel, just to be able to reach out to other people? I think my grandmother would be extremely proud to know that we're touching and we're communicating with so many people. She'd be proud.
Many resources are available for all New Yorkers. Your immigration status does not matter. For more information, go to nyc.gov/immigrants.